Hi guys, good morning. So we're gonna drop off William. It's 7:15 na. Wait kasi nag-ano ako ng milk ni Wiwi. Para mag-milk siya dun sa sasakyan. Ow! Sakita, uy! Mag-milk na lang siya doon and then kasi naghahanap talaga siya nag-milk everyday. Let's brush her hair. Oh my gosh, I don't know what the striker birds they are. Oh my god. William Kotoon. I'm not feeling good today. Your mouth! Here! Say thank you, mommy. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Ayan si Wesley boy. Say hi. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Tara, oh. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes. So let's go now. Huh? Let's go. Come on. I know. Where is the Quran? I don't know where is the phone. It's raining again. My goodness. Waylon, let's go, Waylon. Come here. It's raining, yes. Wesley, put your slipper on. Slipper lang. That's fine.
Let's give that together. Game. My throat is dry.
Why?
Because I didn't drink anything. Because I only drink something in a long time, in
William.
the morning.
William, you should drink water, William. I always remind you that ha. I always remind you to drink water. Ansa ka, William? So, yung gustong food ni Wesley, guys, is ito. Wes, dili lagi diha. William, dili lagi diha, we. Sabi ko sa kanya, magluto kami ng anong tawag dun? Ay, Filipino food, sabi niya. Ito daw yung gusto niya. So, it's ego. Para din siyang pancake, guys. Magluluto ako ng tusino ngayon. From Bon Ash Petit. So if you kanang mag-crave mo o like Filipino food, mga kababayan natin dito sa US, if nagki-crave kayo ng Filipino food like tusino, chorizo, di Cebu, like PM Ashley dito sa Bon Ash Petit. So you can order your ganahan para mga craving satisfied. So ito yung breakfast nila. It's ego.
Don't put butter.
Huh?
Don't put butter.
Okay. No butter? No butter for you? Okay. Nararawilan na? It's yummy way. Huh? You want juice? You want milk or juice? Huh? You like it, Wes? That's good. Say hi, good morning! This is Waylon, the cutie pie, and this is Wesley boy, the cutie pie also. Eat now. You want? Who wants Nana? Who wants banana?
Me.
Okay. You want me to cut the banana? No. Okay. Waylon, where are you going? You need to eat. I want you to eat. Hindi pa siguro siya gutom kasi nag-milk. I don't act like that. Hug mommy, we hug mommy.
Cut it.
Eat this one.
Cut banana.
Please. Say please, mommy.
Clean, mommy. And give me pineapple juice.
I
Please,
can have this.
pineapple juice. Okay. More. About me, more. Lot.
Okay, baby. That looks yummy, girl. Mag-away na po na sila ron. Gapuhan ni mo, Wes, oy! Kiss ko, babe! Kiss ko. Di gawin lon. Ay, di mag-away ha, di mag-away. Ayaw, Wes! Lab. Ayaw na, kay gamay man ang ball na. Oh. Okay, not like that. Oh. Sab. Si Waylon, happy na kayo siya. Oh. Hala! Awa ron. Oh no! So guys, magluto tayo ng lumpia from Bon Ash Petit. So ito, 5 yung niluto ko. And ito yung tocino. So, ayan. If you want to order, just please message her Facebook page. So, maano kayo. Ayan yung ginawa ni Waylon. May ang pinana, kay dirty na na. Yang iyabo ang shoes niya. Ay! Iyaharap pong trapo. Trapuhan na sa niya. Don't do that way. Ha? So, ayan guys. Pinakuluan ko muna siya sa tubig. Then, lagyan na natin siya ng oil konti. Ganito ako magluto ng tocino. Ayan si Pitpit. Bubisita siya. Kakain kami ng breakfast.
Makikain lang.
I-try namin yung yung tocino at saka lumpia. Yeah. Ayan guys, luto agad ha. Pagod agad. Ang init kasi ng mantika. So, nawala na ang water guys. Ang kuha na sad, ang oil na sad ani. Patay na po.
Wala din.
So, mauna na siya guys. Ano na yung water. Oil na lang ang nabilin. Ayan din yung lumpia. Happy pa na pagod. So, Pitpit's turn. Luto na yung tocino. And sa rice, ambot 22 pa. Sa yuho din nila dayo eh. Sa to 10.
10:30, mga 10:40 dapat malinya na daw ko kay kuan.
Magsundo pa si Pitpit sa kanyang Junakins. So, ayan na yung lumpia natin, guys. Napagod lang siya konti, pero okay na to. Tapos yung tocino. Eat, Ana. Ay, day. Ganang ka ketchup? Ito yung lumpia.
Isa. Kagugkog. Ah?
Maglaway jud mo ani. Charot.
Ate J ba? Kanan to.
Okay na, day? Thank you kay Ma'am Ashley.
Thank you. Nakakauntog apil. Magtinidor siya.
Mga unta, guys. Na tanaw, wala mi kay masudan. Pang breakfast good. No, may nakakilala na ba ya ka Pitpit, ha? Nahiya tuloy si Pitpit. Magbablog na to ngayon.
Nailan ako.
For sure, kilala niya tayo sa Facebook din. Nag-i-stalk din yun.
Dito lang. Lamig?
Yeah?
Huh? Pilawan? Nakano na plastic?
Ay, yeah. Try natin to, guys. Ang chili garlic oil. I-try natin yung chili garlic oil. Kung ano ba? Ano yung rating si Pitpit? Dami ba gana siya kuko? Dami.
Alam mo.
So guys, na-try na namin tong chili garlic oil and it's yummy. Ang pagka nagkaon, mara siya ginamos. Lami. Managsara. Hi guys. So we are going to
Park. Go to Sam.
yes, and Erin is there too.
Aaron's there?
Yes, and Shani.
Mommy and Sunny coming.
Yes,
Aiden coming in.
yes, you know Shani lagi.
Sam
You remember Sean?
and Ate Bella coming.
Ate Bella's coming later.
No, at night.
Yeah, later tonight.
Like at 7. His daddy said make it. No, daddy said always at 7.
Yes.
My this is
Mommy, Miss Vega's not our teacher anymore.
Why?
She found another job.
Oh, okay.
I see them. I see them. See them.
Wait, not yet. Really, guys, don't do that again.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go.
Go. Go. Hey.
Nandito kami sa park ngayon, guys. Kasama namin si Erin and Sean and Pitpit. Wait lang, no, don't touch that. Ala, super hangin. Grabe ang hangin. Ay, Sean! Wesley, where are you? So hangin. Sean. Hi, Shani. Nakahay, daw ka daw. Where are you? Ah! Yan pala siya. Hi, driver! Wilan! Hala, hangin ka ayo na. Hala, Wilan, no! Hala! No, 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 no! Ayaw, William.
Mommy's dropping those.
No, no, Wilan. Pagpupunta talaga kami sa park, guys. Alam niyo yung mga bata, super, ano nila, saya. Like, masayahin talaga. No, no, Wes. No, no, Wes. Don't do that. You're gonna hurt yourself. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Because I love you so much in the whole world. Oh, no. Where are you going? Okay, slide na. Slide. Waylon. Hi, Waylon. I'm here. Ray. Hello. How old are you? Yes. Niluso. Waylon. Waylon, come here. Look at mommy. Look. Come on. Hey. Psst. Hey, come here. Nangakuan ko siya ng headphone na may mic. Buti na, guys. May nakita ako sa grass. Ayan si Kuya William. Alam niyo guys, minsan na lang yan si Kuya William nagpapa-video or nag-ano. Pag gusto lang niya. Kasi, big boy naman ni siya, uy. Wilon, ikaw na dyan, Wilon.
No. No, no.
Say no, no. Say no, no?
No, no.
Hala! Oh no, you okay? Be. Wala naman di ay. Ka-warrior good mo eh. Uy, yaga-yagaw lagi kami nun. Up dati up. Hey!
Not this time, William. Ninja game. That one's to fight all the enemies. And I'm the only one, because I'm the strongest one.
Up. Waylon. Lolo. Wala. Waylon. Oh my gosh. Ew. Wish stinky ba ya? Love kuya. Careful ha, ang head ha. Yum.
Mommy. Tia! Mommy, I want to see.
Gawin.
I want to see, Mommy. Yeah.
You like it? That's mine, Wes. This one, this one is yours. This is yours, Wes. This is yours. This is yours, Wes. This is yours. That's yours and Waylon. I was gonna buy you shoes, but I forgot what is your
Toy. You na buy me toy.
huh? I will go to
You na buy me toy.
we'll go to the store na lang ha. Come with me ha, so that you can pick what yours ha.
You na buy me toy.
Here
Oh no, don't want.
Minecraft.
I want toy. I want toy.
Okay, tomorrow we'll buy a toy.
Hindi ako toy. I want that, mommy. Mommy, I want
Ganon ka, William? Huh?
These are big.
Yeah, but it's not big.
Look.
It fits in here.
That's my whole ear. I don't want mommy. I don't want mommy. Okay, what's this cable for?
It's for the USB. This one. Sa may ingon ni mo, William? We'll buy a toy lang ah. Galit si William. Leslie, tomorrow I'll buy you a toy. I want you to kuan man.
You not buy me candy.
You just want candy?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll buy you a lot of candy tomorrow na lang.
You not buy it that night. You not buy it that night now. You not buy it me.
Oh, you only want candy, di ay?
And no, you not give me nothing. You not give me candy that night.
Tomorrow na lang. I will promise you.
You not give
Because
me.
I didn't know na but I was gonna buy you a shoes or a toy. But earlier, I didn't know if you want that toy, I will pick.
No, I want candy.
Okay, now I know that you want candy, okay?
And not you not buy it to me. There's a
So,
toy. Mommy, you not buy it to me. Mommy, you not buy it to me.
Kiss na lang kami.
No.
They are clean na, guys. And they're eating na. So, pagdating namin sa bahay, naligo sila. Tapos, ngayon, nilutuan ko. Ganyan yung pagkain nila na gusto. Yan lang yung binakain nila. Pag magsabaw ko, aganahan mo na sila. And si Waylon, fresh na din si Weiwei. Saan magikuan, Wei? Ha? Spoon? Eat pa, ana, Waylon. Ay, Wesley. Warrior kasi Waylon ay buyag. You like it? Now you like it. Ansa may mo ingon?
Me.
Ha?
Me.
You're welcome. Sabi niya kanina, umiyak siya kasi yung kuya niya may headphone siya, wala siyang laruan. So sabi ko, na naligo kami, sabi ko, just tell me na you like it. Kasi ganahan man ka sa cup. Gusto mo man yung cup. Iyaha lang, sinabi niya lang yun na he doesn't like it kasi wala siyang laruan, wala siyang ano. Yung natanggap niya is yung cup. Tapos sabi ko, sabihin mo, gusto mo yung cup, pero mas gusto mo din ng candy. Don't say like you doesn't like the cup. Because kanang imuham ng gagamitin mo man yan, sabi ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, thank you. Hindi pa niya kasi naiintindihan eh. Hindi, sana ako guys, magbili sana ako ng mga laruan or shoes niya, pero kanina wala akong oras, so nagmamadali ako. Sabi ko, babalik na lang ako, dadalhin ko si Wesley para matry niya yung shoes na bibilhin ko. Yun, umiyak siya. Now, gusto niya na lang ng candy. Ayaw na niya ng toy, candy na lang daw. Pero gusto niya daw yung cup. Sinabi niya lang yun kasi galit siya. Pero sinabi ko din naman sa kanya na dili na maayo. Hindi yan tama na magsabi siya na hindi niya gusto yung cup. Kasi gusto naman niya, gagamitin naman niya yun. Ngayon, dala-dala niya. Lami? Me. Okay, Wes, wait. Where's the remote? Wilon, lami. Mi. Malaki na si Wilon ay. Yung mga vlog-vlog ko na straight, buntis pa ko that time hanggang sa nanganak ako. And then, nag-stop ako. Ngayon, malaki na siya. Parang kailan lang. Kasing edad siya ni William nung dumating kami ni William dito sa US. Right, Wilon? Yes. Meron siya correct. Lami. Me. Drink what? I drink your juice. Dahil naman si Kuya. Hala ka, very good man niya. Asa man ani mo ibutang? Ha? Asa man ani mo ibutang after? Hala, very good. Thank you, Wilon. Alam niya. Thank you, Baba. Good job lagi ka, nak. Ingon ka, you don't like the cup.
Ako like it.
Oh, kiss ka, babe. I'll buy you toy lang tomorrow, ha?
Mommy. When I was a kid, I liked water bottles like that.
I know. Now you're a big boy naman. Dako naman ka.
And my body bothered me.